Why you are getting clients but nobody is buying. Fix this and watch your sales skyrocket. Ever wonder why people show interest and then ghost when it comes to talking about money or setting up a call or seeing your program or linking your program, and then you've got to constantly chase the people in your inbox to say, how'd you go with the offer? Are you interested? What is going on there? If you are a business owner using social media to get clients and you feel like you're doing everything right, you're getting engagement, you're posting content, you're trying to get followers of other people's pages, you're posting consistently, and you just feel like you are not getting the traction that you deserve, most people think that they need to create their offers, sell their offers every day, and put their offers in front of clients. And if you think that, there's one vital step that you are missing that is not allowing you to get the consistent sales that you want. If you are not getting the leads that you want, this video is going to show you why your positioning is weak. What is your positioning? Your positioning is the setup before you drop the offers, before you pitch the sales call, before you pitch. And in order to do that well, you must position your product as the missing solution to what your clients needs. When you're posting tips and tricks type content, when you're posting just images, client testimonials, that is not going to make a client who doesn't know they need you go, oh my God, I all of a sudden need her. That's not how it works. You have to pull in clients that actually need that solution, not just attract random followers with random topics. So you need to be calling in and positioning your product to do that, so that when it comes to the sale, you can actually set it up and it just lands, and those people that you're attracting want the thing that you are selling. I have clients with over 250 followers and they're getting like maybe 1 to 2 sales a month. And that is a perfect example as to where you don't position your product, you don't position it so that your followers are actually a match to the end goal of your program. Here's what will instantly position you so that you can actually start attracting your clients. The first thing you need to do in order to solve this in your business is you need to know, 1, what your client actually desires. 2, what their pain points are and what irritates them about not having this solved. Then you need to create content around that. And you don't need to just create educational based content, but you need to show how your product is the missing link for the knowledge that they need. And if you can do that successfully, you'll never have a problem having these people ghost you, don't come to calls, don't go through with the sale, because they learn that you are the solution and you've positioned that sale well before they even ask for that offer. So if you do this right, people should be asking for your freebies, they should be asking for your next step, and they should just naturally want what you sell without you having really to chase anything. When you position yourself as the only choice by using positioning as a strategy in your business, you will never need to worry where your next sales are coming from. You become the only choice and sales become effortless, easy, fun. And one other thing that's making sales difficult is when you do get that person on a sale, is you're actually selling. If you want to learn why I never teach selling, hit the follow button, because I share such insightful things around selling and how to make it super simple and feel effortless and make you feel so good to sell, as opposed to feel like you're pushing or you're convincing. If you want to see more content like this, press the like button. And if you want the cheat sheet on how to position your business so that you can set your content up for success and you're not wasting time every time you turn on the camera, because we both know that feels like an ordeal in itself. And you want to make sure that you are making the most efficient content possible so that you can go about your day and do the things that you want to do and not sit there anxiously be like, is this the post that's going to work? Is this the post that's going to work? And you just know the ones that are going to drop the client interest into your space. Then drop the word position and I will send you my positioning file to help you do that.